In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Genie Intellicode garage door keypad. You're going to press and hold the program button, and then hold down the number 6, followed by the down arrow button. If you've done this correctly, you should see the red light in the corner strobing. Once the red light turns off, the keypad is officially reset. Start by pressing the 3, 5, 7, and then program button. Next, you'll type in a 4-digit PIN that you want, followed by the program button. Now you'll need to go over to your motor and find the learn button on the motor. Once you press it, immediately go back to the keypad. Once you're back at the keypad, go ahead and type in the 4-digit PIN that you programmed. Once you do that, press and hold the arrow buttons on the bottom for 2 to 3 seconds. Let go. Press and hold again for 2 to 3 seconds. Let go. Press and hold the arrow buttons once again for 2 to 3 seconds. You should start to hear the door moving. Once that moves, you have successfully completed the programming on the keypad. Whenever you type your code in and you operate the door, the light on the keypad will remain on for somewhere between 30 to 45 seconds. But if you press any button on the keypad when that light is on, the door is going to move. So if you press any number on the keypad while the light is on and the door is closed, the door will open. If you press any button while it's open, it will close. You have to wait until the light turns off in order for you to have to activate the door with your code. If you like this video and you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.